Hello and welcome back to this video. Today we're going to create a longer form article with make.com and Anthropic Claude. Last time we added this scenario here, and we are doing just one prompt, like a zero shot to create an article. It works, but the article is not quite long. So today we're going to change that. For this we are using Airtable for our content management, and currently we have workflows that trigger webhooks in Make. So currently we have the generate article and generate article image with Flux. And if you would like to know how to build this, check out my other video. So we're going to add a new workflow. We call it generate long form article. Put it maybe here. And we want to call the same webhook. So we just have to change our automation so that it will also trigger when I say generate long form content and this one, generate article and or workflow is generate long form article. Save and update. Great. So next time I'm choosing generate long form article, we're coming to this webhook here. We get the record, very good, and then we come into this router. And here we want to do the same. First, we want to create a long form article from a prompt. So we're going to duplicate this one and connect it. This immediately. So first we will create an outline with 3 headings. And you can also then make it longer. You can also then say 5 headings. And for each heading, we're using an extra Claude prompt. So we have, instead of one shorter article, we have like 3, and then we put them together. So here, the first one is you are given this prompt. We are giving here, create a short SEO article outline on a topic with 3 headings. Don't include conclusions. It does it sometimes, always. Use number headings, only output the headings. The article outline should be useful information for the reader. So, perfect. That's the first step. So we will do section 1, section 2, section 3, like here. Here we are saying write a detailed, engaging, human-sounding, informative article. The content should be conversational and also include interesting facts or tips. Of course, you can change this as you like. Write 500 words in German about the first heading from the Z outline, and here is the Z outline. Then clone, then clone. Here we just say write from personal about the second heading and the third heading. Now we have all 3 and just need to put them together and save them to Airtable. Final article. First one is the outline, and then text response. Oh wait, 17. This is the first one, then this one, and then this one. Okay, great. So, but when should it run? Set up a filter, condition, workflow, generate long form article. Here from prompt. Maybe we are checking if that's exactly what it is. Generate long form. I like to copy paste it just in case, because those are the errors you're looking for in a long time. Great, so save it, run once, let's try it out. The prompt is here. We will delete the final article and the workflow. And let's go. Let's see. Okay, what's going on? From URL. Yeah, we made a mistake. We have here options from URL. And here we are only checking, is it from URL? So first he did from URL because it was true, but the second one was also true. So now it's generating the articles. And the other one generating. And then we should see it here. Now it's updated. And it's a bit longer. Nice. Yeah, and that's how you can create longer form content with a couple of calls. Let's fix the little problem with from prompt. Only execute this from prompt or from URL both when it's from URL and also workflow equals to generate article. Correct. Generate article. Check it again. And workflow generate article. And the same for this one. And workflow equal to article. Perfect. So we have long form content from the prompt, and now we will do the same also from URL. Oh, does that look good? So what we can do here, we can also say generate article from a URL, or we use generate long form article, and when we say from URL, then it will switch. I think it's better, otherwise we have a lot of workflows. So we need to get the content from the website we want to scrap the article from. So this module here, connect to here. Let's do it like this. Not best, but anyway. And so when should this run? Condition, workflow, generate long form content, and option equals from URL. Here we can then label it correctly, and then here it's also options equals to from prompt. So here we also need this HTML.text parser, and then basically we do nearly the same, so I can clone everything. Clone action, and Airtable, save to Airtable, like this. And now we are changing this. You're given this prompt now. You are given this what is page. Let's say this article from our website. It contains also other informations because it was converted from HTML to text, but only include the main article. And then you can say article to read, and that's going to be the text. Create a showing with outline topics, the headings should work. Oh wait, we don't need so many tokens. Here we have to change to the correct SEO outline. Same here. This is 24, 23. 23 should be correct. This one. Yeah. And also here. Come on. 23. Save. And then update Airtable with this one, this one, this one. Save. Make reference make not accessible. I think this one, article URL. That's correct. Number 12. Save anyway. So it's tried out from link. Not sure what's the problem here. Is accessible. Options, info. Save anyway. Run anyway. Okay. So we will delete the final article and this one, and then we will generate from link, from URL, the long form content. Let's see if it's doing something. Yes. And then nothing. So we get from Airtable, from URL, and generate long form article. And we are checking here for generate long form content from URL. Okay, let's try it again. I will check this later. Run once. Okay, let's try it again. Triggered. And the webhook should also be triggered in a second. Now it looks better. It went through. We don't have text here. That's not good. We stop it. This was wrong. Needs to be like this. Okay. What's wrong with this? Not accessible from URL. Save it again. Run once. Right again. So you already have an update now. That's good. Now it looks better. We have a outline. I would recommend to build this out for like 5 or 7 headings, and then you can build in switches. So if you need shorter content or longer content, you can choose from the workflow. Let's see, this looks all good. And it's saved to Airtable. Let's check it out. Here's the detail, engaging, and so on. Okay, I mean, it's in German, but still, it's long. Great. So we generated long form content from prompt, from the URL, saved it to Airtable, and yeah, here you have it, your long form content. And hope you liked the video. See you next time.